Good morning, traders. Super excited you guys are here today. Starting the week off on a green note. All we're doing today is buying the fear. Did it twice. Now, whether a stock goes straight up or straight down, I don't care. All it is taking advantage of people's emotions, whether that's buying fear or selling euphoria. Let's get into it. ZM selling off quite a bit right now. I'm going to go ahead and start trying to scoop this one up, spread these out a little bit on ZM. This one's getting a nice sell-off on it, but this one is starting to panic some. So let's start trying to see this one under 81. Oh, we'll get a nice pop on it right now. I'm going to go ahead and take it right there, guys, with the starter, because that candlestick looks pretty heavy. As you guys are seeing right now, every time it gets a little pop on it, it's selling on off pretty quick. Do want this one a little lower. If it continues higher, I will just, avoid it. But if we get some more panic on it, it's still under VWAP, under 90 MA, that sort of thing. But ZM, going to throw it on the watch list and just keep an eye on it, see if we're going to get any more movement there. And looking kind of like a bear flag in a way. We got the pull, and then we have the consolidation. But like I told you guys with the 10 rules the other day, I don't take comfortable trades anymore. So if something looks like a bear flag, a bull flag, I'm not just going to take a trade, in that consolidation. We're going to wait for either fear or euphoria before we start taking a position. SIG is getting a little juicy. SIG is not very overbought. And one of the reasons I like to short into stocks that are overbought on the daily and intraday is when it starts turning around and selling on off, it's usually taking the elevator down because there's so many longs into it. I don't like getting into a stock short that's oversold on the daily because there's already a lot of shorts in on it. If there's a lot of shorts in on a stock that's just oversold, selling on off, and shorts have been holding this for weeks, months, that sort of thing, there can be a huge short squeeze, and we've seen that many, many times. So at least with a stock that's overbought, typically it's not just going supernova. There's opportunities, there's consolidation to get in and out of it, work your way in and out of those stocks. TLRY, looking for a little bit more panic here. Let's get that under 31. Okay, I went ahead and started it. So we're like a feeler position, so let's see if this one's going to find its feet. It's going to continue to panic. We want the panic. We want the panic. And planning on 3 ads here. Going to go 1, 1, 2. But like you guys heard in the rules the other day that I made, if you haven't watched that video, go watch it right now. Typically in these trades, when you're getting in on the emotional side of the move, you're going to be red initially. And that's why I start with starter positions. Because you're getting into the panic on that side, the emotional side of the trade. If you're short selling the euphoria, you're getting in on the emotional side of the trade. That's why I start with feeler positions. See what it's going to do. See if it looks heavy. See if it's going to continue to fall like a falling knife, so I can get out with a paper cut. And then TLRY right now, this one's kind of consolidating right here near where I got in. So not looking too bad on TLRY, but don't want it to turn into, sideways consolidation and then sell off even further. We want a little pop on it. So if it's panicking down, longs are getting out, we want shorts to cover as well to provide a little bit of a pop here. So see what TLRY is going to do. If it's going to continue lower or get that pop like we're looking for. But now I'm not looking to add into this. If it comes back down to my entry, I'm going to stop out of it for a break-even trade. Not interested in adding to this even further since we had that sideways consolidation. Okay, and I just got filled right there at about 31.29 on the ticker. So just going to be the one and done there as well, traders. That's going to be TLRY and ZM. TLRY and ZM. We see with ZM, that one sold off even further. TLRY, that one's getting a nice little push on it right now. Looking pretty solid. Happy with the exit there, though. That's completely fine. I was looking for this one and ZM to sell off even further to have more panic. Let's take a look at both of them and compare. So I got in kind of near the bottom on both of them and wanted to spread those ads out even further, but I wasn't going to add into sideways consolidation and then we sell off even further because those are the dip buyers getting in and then they kind of get exhausted as the stock sells on off even further. I want longs that were in this up at 86, 85, 84 to all panic out of this. And then shorts to cover. That's what I'm looking for. I'm just trying to explain my thoughts if that's helpful at all rather than just showing you trades. That's kind of what I'm looking at. But after you've been doing this for several years, it becomes a little easier to figure out like why people are buying where they're buying and selling where they're selling and covering where they're covering and shorting where they're shorting. It'll become kind of second nature to you. All right, traders, that's going to be it for today. Just the 2 trades there. Going to head out. It is 9:45, so just going to be 2 and done. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you all first thing tomorrow.